Pakistan's automotive market. Why traditional engines still rule the roads. Introduction. Pakistan's automotive market is one of the most unique in South Asia. Despite rapid advancements in vehicle technology around the world, the majority of Pakistani drivers still rely on conventional petrol-powered cars. While countries such as China, Japan, South Korea, and many European nations are rapidly moving toward hybrid and electric vehicles, Pakistan continues to be dominated by naturally aspirated and traditional internal combustion engine cars. Why is this the case? Why are hybrids still relatively rare? And why do most Pakistanis continue to choose conventional engines over newer technologies? Today, we'll explore the current state of Pakistan's automotive market and what the future may hold. Chapter 1. The King of Pakistan's Roads. The Pakistani automotive market has historically been dominated by simple and reliable naturally aspirated engines. These engines do not use turbochargers or electric assistance. Their simplicity makes them easier to maintain, cheaper to repair, and more suitable for Pakistan's road conditions and fuel quality. Today, an estimated 90 to 95% of passenger vehicles on Pakistani roads still rely on conventional internal combustion engines, with naturally aspirated petrol engines making up the majority of the market. Models such as Suzuki Alto, Suzuki Wagon-R, Toyota Corolla, Honda City, Honda Civic continue to dominate sales because they are familiar, easy to repair, and have an extensive network of mechanics and spare parts. For the average Pakistani consumer, reliability and affordability matter more than having the latest technology. Chapter 2. The late arrival of new technology. Pakistan has traditionally adopted new automotive technologies later than many developed countries. When hybrid cars became popular in Japan and Europe, Pakistan was still heavily dependent on conventional petrol vehicles. When electric vehicles started becoming mainstream globally, Pakistan had only begun discussing policies for EV adoption. There are several reasons for this. Lower average purchasing power, high import duties and taxes, limited charging infrastructure, lack of local manufacturing capabilities, consumer preference for proven technologies. As a result, the Pakistani market usually takes several years to fully embrace new automotive trends that have already become common elsewhere. Chapter 3. The Hybrid Story. Hybrid vehicles are an interesting case in Pakistan. Unlike Japan or some other countries, Pakistan never experienced a large-scale transition toward locally manufactured hybrid vehicles. For many years, most hybrids on Pakistani roads arrived through imports from Japan, China, South Korea. Vehicles such as the Toyota Prius, Toyota Aqua, and Honda Vezel became popular because they offered impressive fuel economy. Although several electrified models have recently entered the market, hybrids still represent only a small portion of Pakistan's total vehicle fleet. Industry experts estimate that around 30,000 hybrid vehicles have joined Pakistani roads over the past few years, which is still tiny compared with the country's overall number of conventional vehicles. For many Pakistanis, hybrids remain expensive. Battery replacement costs and higher purchase prices often discourage buyers. As a result, hybrid technology has not yet replaced the naturally aspirated engine as the preferred choice of the average consumer. Chapter 4. The Rise of Electric Vehicles. Interestingly, Pakistan is now beginning to market electric vehicles, even though hybrids never truly became mainstream. Companies are introducing electric models, and government policies are slowly encouraging EV adoption. Brands from China have played a major role in bringing electric vehicles to Pakistan. However, significant challenges remain. Limited charging stations, high vehicle prices, concerns about long-distance travel, electricity shortages in some areas. For now, electric vehicles remain a premium option that appeals mostly to wealthier buyers. The average Pakistani family still sees EVs as expensive and somewhat impractical. Chapter 5. Why Pakistanis still love naturally aspirated engines. The answer is actually quite simple. Affordability. A conventional petrol car can often cost millions of rupees less than an equivalent hybrid or electric vehicle. Maintenance is cheaper. Parts are easier to find. Almost every mechanic in the country knows how to repair these vehicles. For the common man, buying a car is one of the biggest financial decisions of his life. Most consumers simply cannot justify paying significantly more money for newer technology. Until hybrid and electric vehicles become more affordable, naturally aspirated engines will likely continue to dominate Pakistan's roads. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more interesting and informative content. The video world.